piece of advice she had. It was action precedes emotion. So basically you have to act.
Yeah.
And then eventually your emotions or your feelings will get better. But it won't be the other way around. It won't be like, oh, I'm feeling better and now I can go act now. Or I can go do things. It's like, no, you gotta do those things and feel crappy, but then eventually you get into the right place.
That makes a lot of sense. But it's so hard when you're like in the moment, when you're within the emotion, it's so hard to even think straight, to
like,
make a proper decision.
Now.
Exactly.
I don't want to have fun. Wow.
That's why it's good to be apart from that person, whoever,
Right. It's
you were
like,
with, and then the time will pass.
but like,
You start seeing things clearer.
but when you can't even be apart, like when you can't like stop calling them, then it sucks.
All you have to do is just don't do it.
You are fired!
Yeah.
You guys-
Good advice though.
And then eventually your emotions will feel better. It will never be the other way around.
Yeah.
Like, oh, my emotions suddenly feel better. Now I can go do things.